Hey guys, Bernie with Teacher Dashboard here. Today we're going to be going through distributing and submitting assignments that have large files attached to them. With Teacher Dashboard, you can currently send and receive files up to the size of about 5 megs. So I'll be walking through how students can submit large files and then also how teachers can distribute large files. Okay, so my student Billy Chamberlain has received an assignment from his teacher called My Holiday. And if we go into our assignment, we can see here that the teacher has asked Billy to submit a video from his holiday for presentation to the class. Once we're ready to start working on the assignment, we change the status to in progress, which has been done. And then once he's ready to submit his work, he can then click into My Work and add the file from his OneDrive. So Billy can navigate to My Schoolwork, where he has already uploaded a holiday file for this assignment. Here it is, and if he simply clicks on it, it adds it to his work files. Once the file has been uploaded, a hand in button will come up and he can then hand in his work to the teacher. Then if we log in as our teacher here, who's me in this case, when I log into my assignment, I can then see that if I go into my holiday assignment, I should receive here that Billy has handed a file in, and I can simply collect the file as I would any other assignment. Bear in mind that when collecting multiple large files from your class, because the file size is so large, it will take longer than usual. So please be patient. And it's the same with when teachers are distributing the files. If we're sending one large file to multiple students, then that file size has to be copied into the My Work folders in Teacher Dashboard, and that will take time based on the size of the file. So here we've now got our file that's been collected, and we can see that the file has been included by the student, ready for presentation. Should a teacher wish to distribute an assignment that has a large file attached to it, then the best way to go about it is to create the new assignment. And similarly for students, upload a large file from their OneDrive. So in this example, I'm just going to create the new assignment called Culture. And then once that assignment has been created, I can work through putting it together as I would any other assignment. Just add some comments. Select our subject. We'll keep this in social studies. Select a due date and time. Marking format. And then when I go to add my resources, I'm going to select my OneDrive and then navigate to the file. And again, this file is about slightly over 5 megs in size. So I can now just attach it, and now it's been uploaded. I can select my recipients, so I'm going to send it out to my social studies class. Bear in mind, this is a file of 5 megs that's going to be sent to a number of students, so it might take a little while to actually send the assignment. But slowly we'll start seeing that each of the assignments will be sent. What you can do is while those assignments are still being sent, you can continue to work on your teacher dashboard as normal and then come back to the assignments details page to see the current status of sending. Thanks very much for watching. I hope that you found this guide useful. For more TD tips, please have a look at our blog page. For any other video tutorials, user manual and facts, please have a look at our support pages. Don't forget to join the conversation on our Yammer, and for any support queries, please email support@teacherdashboard365.com. Thanks, guys.